With Thirsties, just here to show off our new Valentine's inspired print, Otterly in Love. We picked out some otters to do this year, a little mom and baby holding each other in a couple different shots there, and we think it turned out really well. So before it goes on sale at your favorite retailer next Thursday the 23rd, I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek. So we'll start out with our all-in-one first. You can see the all-in-one has got some black snaps with it. I'm going to give you guys a closer look at those otters on the pocket diaper, as I think it's a little bit easier to see. But there's your all-in-one. And here's the pocket diaper. You've got black trim and black snaps. And some of you had asked maybe why there wasn't a red binding on here. It's because in the moose print, we also did red, and we did not want them to look too similar. So went with black, and we think it turned out really well. It looks great. On the back there, you can see some of the detail in some of those otters. Get that nice and close for you and let you look at a few of them. So super cute, a lot of detail in there. They look really good. And then here's your wet dry. We did red mesh on the wet dry bag. You can see the back of that. And then here is your mini wet bag. So I'm going to hold that there for you for a minute, and I'm going to do some comparisons for you. So we'll start with Scarlet. I know many of you are hoping for Scarlet, maybe with matching binding and snaps this year. It didn't happen, but doesn't mean we didn't hear you. So there it is next to the starfish and the hearts. It's virtually dead on. Perfect match with Scarlet. Here it is next to Merry Moose Miss. You can see the otters are a little bit darker and oranger than the moose there, but a good presentation on that. The green is really similar to the trees in the Merry Moose. Then here I got Blue Bonnet. Hey guys. So yeah, you've got your Blue Bonnet. That is a really good match there on the blue. I think I'm getting it right there. So I think I have people doing the camera for me on this, and I think they're as bad as I am at doing it myself. And then, hey Laura, here is Lagoon, and Lagoon is also a perfect match right here for the green in this print. So that was pretty short and sweet, guys, but that's the nuts and bolts of this guy. It's really cute. The otters turned out really well. The detail's awesome. The colors are pretty. So again, there's your mini wet bag. I'll give you one more look at the pocket bag diaper here. And that's it. So I hope you all enjoy it. And thanks for tuning in with me. And get out there, support your favorite retailer next Thursday, the 23rd. And I appreciate you joining me once again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.